Hello, my friend. I'm Dennis Wang. Welcome to Foshan Autom packaging machinery. And today, I'm going to test 500 grams oat powder on this vertical packing machine. The model number of this machine is ATM320C. It's customized with nitrogen gas filling device. Okay, let's run this machine to show you how it works. Look at this part. It is our touch screen. Let's choose English. Start the machine. Okay, let's start the machine. Let's check the finished bag. And the sealing of the bag. Here is printing information. And the vertical sealing of the bag. And the sealing of the bag. Printing information. Vertical sealing of the bag. So, you have any customized packaging solution, just find us at this website or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching my video today. Bye.